Hello, I'm Cardmaster123, and today is my 16th birthday. Alright. So for my 16th birthday, we will be doing a Sweet 16 interactive card trick. So go get your deck of cards and we'll get started. Make sure you watch till the end because for my 16th birthday, I will be giving away a deck, and I'll be telling you the information about that at the end of the video. Alright, so grab your cards, and all you need is 16 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Once you have your 16 cards, you can just go ahead and shuffle. And then once you feel it's shuffled, what you want to do is look at the bottom card. I will be memorizing the 9 of spades. You memorize whatever the bottom card in yours is. Next, what we want to do is we're going to take the top card and put it to the bottom. And then after that, we're going to do this shuffle. It's called the Australian Shuffle. What you do, you just take a card from the pile, put it down, and then you take the next card and put it under. It helps if you say down and under, so you don't get confused. So down, under, 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 down, down. Once you get that, you're going to take the top card and flip it over. This isn't your card, but this is going to be a key card. It's going to help you find the card. So then we're just going to get it lost in the deck. So we're just going to cut the cards. As long as you complete the cut, you're good. And just do it as many times as you feel. You can do as many or as little times as you want. Alright, once you feel you're good, we're going to make 2 alternating piles. And we're going to take the one out that doesn't have the key card in it. We're going to do this again until we come across just one card with the face-up card. And there's one card now with the face-up card. And that is your chosen card. Alright guys, that is the trick and the tutorial that basically is the trick. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And with the deck giveaway, I will be giving away a fuchsia deck. I haven't got it yet, but once I get it, I will show you guys. And I will be giving that away at the end of the month. So all you have to do to enter is subscribe, like, and leave a random comment.